Hi folks, this is Florida Trailblazer, exploring out here deep in the green swamp wilderness, enjoying this beautiful nature and experiencing some interesting history as well. Now I found this old path here, and it actually used to be a road at one time. Leads to an old homestead site. It existed dating back to at least the mid-1900s. I'm going to keep exploring this and see what I can discover out here. Made it back to this area of the woods where the old homestead used to be. And this is really neat because there's some old vehicles that still remain here. Let's go take a look around. And these have been sitting out here for quite some time. Lots of interesting traces from the past in this area. There's a lot of old parts and debris scattered throughout the area. Here's an old wagon. See remains from a structure that was once here. exploring further around this site, you see remnants from a structure here in the woods. Now, over the years, I'm sure there were different add-ons to the homestead. So this appears to be a little bit newer. Let's go take a look. Looks like there were some stairs right here. Yeah, there's really nothing here in this structure. So I explored around the old homestead site for quite a while and seeing some interesting traces from the past there. Made my way back out to this pathway, which used to be an old road at one time that the homesteaders used. So I'm going to follow this for a while longer into the woods, just take in the nature and see what else I can discover in these areas. Such a vast place to explore and just get away from it all. But I'm really thankful that the homestead site and the history still remains there. It's always a treat to be able to experience these places even today after so many years. It takes you back to a different time and you get to learn about some of the history, and I just truly value that so much and like to come out here and do these videos and help document them and share about these places, because you never know when they'll be gone forever. And it's my hope that future generations will come out to these wilderness areas and also be able to experience and learn about the history behind these places.